Hi, how you doing? You know the feeling when somebody just walking in and it's asking a 5 minute job and you have a gut feeling something going bad? Now this was for me. So they forgot the Windows password and they couldn't reset it, so they just dropped the computer down. So let's take a look. Obviously we don't know the password. I have a nice little flash drive what I just boot up and quickly reset the password. 5 minutes job, 39 quid, everybody happy. Okay, so let's boot from the drive. With the Dell computers F12 you can get the boot menu and you can see a little star there, but there's the problem with the star. Obviously I tried the admin as a password, that one didn't work.
Okay.
So we have a little trouble. Now I don't plan to take off the BIOS chip and do the magic for £39, so let's see something easier solution. Alright, one of the easier solution, you hold down the shift button, you restart the computer and you can access some features. Now one of these features, let's see if you can guess. Yeah, this is not the fastest computer on the world, but I'm gonna do the job. Alright, troubleshooting, advanced option, and command prompt. So with Windows, command prompt, you have a simple command, net user is listing the accounts. Now I didn't notice here, but I couldn't see an account with the name home. So I tried to set up a new password for the administrator, and normally if these things are successful then you can just switch to another user like administrator, you type the password and you're good to go. Do you think I was that lucky? No. And the home user is not the administrator user. This gave me a password hint, which didn't mean anything for me, but as you can see, the keyboard is half Arabic, so yeah, my Arabic is a little bit rusty. To reset the password, so that's not gonna work. It's in the USB device, obviously they didn't make a backup for that one. Alright, let's see what other options we have. Now with the notebook you have a little trick. Okay, I was fooling around for almost an hour until I found this solution, so sometimes I run from battery, sometimes from charger. Alright, so yeah, it might be the admin password is set, but the system password is not. And that's a good thing for us, because for system password we can set up any password. Doesn't matter basically, because that will be requested when the computer is turned on. Now, how it's gonna help us? You will see in a second. The trick is we're gonna get now a special code. That code. Now that one we have to type to a free website. This free website have many copies, which is requesting money, so try to type the same things. BIOS-pw.org. You type the code here without the cross and we're saying get password. Now this will delete every password from the system and from the BIOS. It's a little bit long, yeah? And you have to type exactly, obviously, so it's gonna take some time. And hopefully I'm not gonna making any misspelling. Hopefully. It's really a long password. Now obviously this is gonna be just halfway to the success. This is not working with every computer, but on this website you can see which computers are supported. If you have anything else, like Acer, you need different websites. But with Dell, you probably can get a solution here. Lenovo is a totally different story. Alright, almost there. Alright, so from this point is deleted the system password, the administrator password, everything. So finally, we can boot from the USB device. Let's see if it's work. Yep, Sergey Strelak. This is a special Windows filled with all the things you need. And also I found some special malware, so if you download it, please check your copy. In the last couple of years, it's got infected. But before it was completely alright, so that time I really get used to it, and I'm still using a little bit older version. Alright, it's basically installing all the drivers, whatever you need, and you have a few password removing options, also diagnostic softwares and everything else. Now it's have different softwares because they all showing you different options. Alright, and reset Windows password. So the most obvious name doing the job. This one has very special functions, what I really like, especially when customers forget to give me the PIN code for the computer, or they give me the wrong PIN code. In that case, this software many times can read out the PIN code in 1 minute, and that's really helpful. Alright, it's saying password deleted, so let's see if it's working. Now this video was 11 minutes until this, but For me, that was in real time without the cutting and a little research. This was 1.5 hours. So £39, well served. I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe it's gonna help you with another Dell computer if you have something. If you like our videos, please give us a like. If you don't like, leave a comment. Maybe we can improve ourselves. Take care. Have fun. Bye.